It's no small problem. More than 34 million adults in the United States suffer from overactive bladder, but a little needling in the right location may be life-changing. Here's the latest in this week's Positively Healthy Report. It's a going problem. Urinary incontinence is filling millions of Americans with frustration, with overactive bladder making them feel a sudden urge to use the bathroom.
I've had patients who are just inconvenienced, to ones where they're constantly looking to restrooms, to patients who literally can't leave the house.
Dr. Barkley Story is a urologist with Physicians Primary Medical Group. For patients who don't get relief with medications, he offers a stimulating solution.
We place a small acupuncture needle right behind inside of your ankle, and I put a little electric charge to it. You don't feel anything, and it sort of feedbacks to the bladder. And in doing so, the bladder calms down a little bit.
The treatment is called percutaneous tibial nerve stimulation, or PTNS. Electrical pulses travel up the tibial nerve towards the sacral nerve, which stimulates the bladder. It works along the same premise as implantable devices, but doesn't require surgery and leaves nothing behind, including troublesome urges.
The only real contraindication to this treatment is an implantable pacemaker, which we can work around sometimes. But beyond that, there's really no big downside to it.
PTNS typically involves 2 courses of 6 treatments, lasting under 30 minutes each. Patients generally notice results after a few sessions and may have long-term relief.
Even in people who have not done well on other treatments in the past.
So a painless approach may help people with overactive bladder control their urges.